In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble our wooden swings.
The manual included with all swings shows the specific measurements for each model.
First of all, you need to identify all the components included with your swing, such as the seats, wooden posts, metal corners, hooks, screws, and anchors. In the components list, you'll find the inventory your swing set should contain. Locate the wooden beam that serves as the crossbar and place a metal corner on one of its ends. Next, install the hooks with their carabiners. Due to wood expansion, it might be difficult to insert them. If that happens, you can open the ring, position it, and then close it around the beam. The instructions will indicate how far the hook should be from the corners, as well as the spacing between them. Screw in the hooks and put the other corner on the other end.
Now you'll need to install the 4 wooden posts that will serve as the swing's legs. Insert them into the corners and screw them in.
Put the structure upright and place it in its final position. Make sure the crossbar is leveled so the seats swing straight and perpendicular. If the beam is not leveled, you can slightly bury one of the legs into the ground to correct it. Now hang the seats and adjust the ropes to the appropriate height for the person using it.
Swings must be securely anchored to the ground. To do so, dig a hole next to each leg of the swing according to the measurements in the instructions. It's better if the hole is square-shaped so the concrete block grips the soil better. Make sure to give it that shape. Screw the anchors into each leg and insert the lower part of the anchor into the hole you've made. Mix dry concrete with water following the manufacturer's ratios and fill each hole, ensuring that the anchor stays fully submerged. Don't fill it to the top. This way, you can cover the concrete with the leftover soil and hide it. Remember that cracks in the wood are completely normal. To keep your swing in good condition, apply LASUR regularly once every 1 or 2 years to preserve the wood's original appearance and prevent the fibers from losing elasticity. We also recommend checking and tightening the bolts occasionally. If you're not going to use the swing during the winter, you can remove the seats and store them. We sell a wide variety of seats and accessories for swings that you can easily take off and put on. Just open the carabiners by hand and replace the factory-included seats with other accessories like baby seats, trapezes, or acrobatic rings, among many others.